Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best heated shovel is probably one of the most effective and efficient ways to remove snow from your driveway or walkway, especially during harsh winter conditions. This video will provide you with an in-depth review of this amazing tool, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs and budget, covering its features, performance, pros, and cons, and comparing it to traditional snow shovels. Number 5. Snow Joe Shovelution Snow Shovel. Say goodbye to back pain this winter. This innovative shovel is designed to make snow removal easier than ever before. It features a patent-pending spring-loaded handle that helps reduce strain on your back and shoulders. Lifting and throwing heavy snow will feel effortless. The ergonomic dual-handle design shifts the lifting leverage, reducing back strain by up to 30%. You'll be amazed at how much easier shoveling becomes. It's built with an 18-inch heavy-duty blade and an aluminum wear strip for long-lasting performance. It can handle even the toughest winter conditions. The D-ring handles provide better control and stability, improving your posture and reducing bending. You'll be able to work more comfortably for longer periods. This isn't just for winter. It's perfect for moving mulch, soil, or other garden materials all year long. What we like. It's designed with a spring-loaded handle and ergonomic dual handle to reduce back strain. This makes shoveling significantly easier, especially for those with back problems or who need to lift heavy snow frequently. If you are looking for a comfortable and efficient way to remove snow, this is the shovel for you. What people say. Very lightweight, but got the job done easily. Love the extra handle, made tossing the snow so much easier on my back. The spring-assisted handle significantly reduces strain on my back and shoulders, making shoveling snow much more manageable and comfortable. The 20-inch blade allows me to move large amounts of snow with each pass, saving me time and effort. The second handle makes it so easy to pick up and toss snow, that I feel like an idiot for not coming up with this idea myself. The mechanics of shoveling are changed, much for the better, and I can clear snow probably twice as fast with the Snow Joe than with any other shovel I've ever used. Number 4. RHINO USA Folding Shovel. This versatile tool is perfect for various tasks, from digging to gardening. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or homeowner. Support a father-son business committed to providing excellent customer service and high-quality products. You'll be joining the RHINO USA family. It functions as a shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe, making it incredibly adaptable to different jobs. One tool handles multiple tasks with ease. It's easily stored in its carry case, measuring just 9 by 6 inches when folded. Despite its full 22-inch length when extended, it weighs only 2 pounds. It's built from durable carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish for strength and corrosion resistance. This ensures it will last for years to come. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, we'll provide a replacement or refund to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This shovel is incredibly versatile, functioning as a shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for storage and portability. With a lifetime replacement guarantee, you're ensured long-term value and peace of mind. If you need a durable, multifunctional tool for various outdoor tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. This particular shovel is very well built and folds up to a small package great for storing. It's lightweight but built well. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the blade is tough enough to handle digging through dirt, mud, and even snow. The pick feature is a nice touch when I need to break through tougher ground. It folds down easily and comes with a handy carrying case, making it perfect for camping or off-road trips. This shovel is well made, durable, and compact. The pick is great for breaking up the ice. Number 3. Snow Joe 18 Electric Snow Blower. Clear your driveway and walkways with ease this winter. It's powerful enough for mid to large-sized areas, and it's easy to use. This snow blower boasts a powerful 15-amp motor. It moves up to 720 pounds of snow per minute, making quick work of even the heaviest snowfalls. The 180-degree adjustable chute lets you precisely direct the snow up to 25 feet away. No more guesswork, just efficient snow removal. Its 4-blade steel auger cuts an impressive 18 inches wide and 10 inches deep with each pass. It's built to handle tough jobs. A built-in headlight provides excellent visibility in low-light conditions. Work safely and efficiently, even at night. It's perfect for driveways and walkways. Its lightweight design and simple controls make it easy for anyone to use. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor that clears snow quickly and efficiently. The wide clearing path and long throw distance make it ideal for larger areas. If you have a large driveway or walkway to clear and need a powerful machine to do it quickly, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Driveway is about 150 feet to end, and yes, with a pass during the storm and another 2 to clean up after this did just fine, in fact so much better than I could have imagined. It threw snow a good 15 to 20 feet away. The 20-watt LED headlamp proved useful in illuminating the path directly in front of the unit. Number 2. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel. Say goodbye to backbreaking snow shoveling. This cordless snow shovel makes winter cleanup a breeze. Its powerful motor and efficient design will clear your driveway quickly and easily. It's equipped with a tough, 2-blade auger. This clears a wide path and throws snow up to 20 feet, tackling even the heaviest snowfalls with ease. With its powerful battery and quick charger, it's ready to tackle the job. You'll clear a large area on a single charge, without the hassle of gas or oil. It's designed with you in mind. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, its ergonomic handles reduce strain, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. This high-performance motor moves a surprising amount of snow per minute. It's perfect for clearing sidewalks, driveways, and patios quickly and efficiently. This winter, conquer the snow with the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel. It's the perfect solution for fast, effortless snow removal. What we like. This cordless shovel is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making snow removal a breeze. It's perfect for smaller areas and requires no gas or oil. If you prefer a convenient and effortless way to clear snow from smaller areas, this cordless option is for you. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. I held off writing this review until given the opportunity to beat the living heck out of it. After 8 snowstorms here in northern New England, and putting SJ to use after every single one, I feel I can safely say to you that this is a durable unit that does what it claims. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. It is almost like sweeping off the walkway. At only 11 pounds and a 7-inch path, this product makes it easy to remove snow from steps, porches, patios, decks and walkways, but it is not a snow blower. It works like a snow blower, however, in deep snow, you have to remove the snow in layers. It does blow the snow quite a distance and is much faster and easier than a regular shovel. It throws the snow surprisingly far, works like a vacuum cleaner and is about the same weight. Number 1. BIRDROCK Home Folding Shovel. It's lightweight and sturdy, perfect for clearing snow during emergencies or adventures. Keep it in your car, backpack, or ATV for peace of mind. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's tough enough for snow, mud, or sand. This shovel is a reliable tool for all your outdoor explorations. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. It easily fits in cars, backpacks, or even your ATV, always ready when you need it. Use it for snow, sand, mud, or dirt. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. It adapts to a wide range of situations. At only 2 pounds, it's easy to carry. The compact size is perfect for any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you are always prepared. What we like. It's lightweight and folds up for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for emergencies or outdoor adventures. It's also suitable for various tasks beyond snow removal. If you need a portable and versatile shovel for travel, emergencies, or various outdoor activities, this is an excellent option. What people say. Small, sturdy, folds so you can tuck it under your seat just about anywhere. Great quality. It's well engineered of lightweight aluminum where it counts, beefy in both plastic and metal components including beefy lever and spring action so it just works. It will shovel path around car doors and rear or front tires to get snow moved and has oval metal shaft and spade to keep its edge and hold shape without hurting back with too heavy loads. Tough enough to chop some ice with the edge as well. Easy and reliable collapsible and unfolding will deploy in the cold. Excellent lightweight given it is strong aluminum and very positive grip. Strong enough to do the job but foldable and didn't take up much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.